In today's video, I'll guide you through on how you can jack up a Toyota Highlander. Now, this is Guide to Everything. Let's get started. Basically, I have a index taken from the official manual on your vehicle. Basically, in here, we have the jack position. It's going to be this one right beside or on the center of the wheel itself. And we also have the other one basically for the front one and for the tail side of the vehicle. In here you have the center of vehicle. Basically this is the center of gravity. You have your support positions in this one, and of course you have your jack position. Basically it's going to look something like this under your vehicle. It's going to be right in the middle of both wheels, so you have this notch that you could clamp your jack onto, and from there you could start jacking manually. So it's going to be this one, and I highly suggest that you look your manual before you do this. Of course they update their manual from time to time, and it's better to refer through the official owner's manual in order for us to do maintenance on our vehicles. So it's going to be that simple. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.